So earlier this week, DJI announced a new DJI Mini 4K for $299. But there's nothing new about this drone. It's been out for a while. I don't understand the marketing campaign that DJI is doing. We've been making videos of the DJI Mini 4K for a while now, and we even have one video saying that this is DJI's secret drone. So it's been out for a while, but up until now you could only buy it on Amazon and at Best Buy. But now DJI has it on their website. So it's 4K at 30 frames per second for $299. But back on Amazon Prime Day, July 16th and 17th, if you were an Amazon Prime member, you could buy this drone for $239. And that is a crazy price. I was really tempted to pick up another one. I almost wish I had. Now, I don't know what DJI has planned for Black Friday come this November, but that'd be something to look for. Look for special deals on the DJI Mini 4K. Now, if you're new at drone flying, wanting to get into the hobby, and perhaps you don't have a drone yet, you're thinking this Christmas or Black Friday, I would suggest get the DJI Mini 4K $299. This would be a great first drone. It's got great video resolution, got a 12 megapixel camera, and the distance that you can fly this drone, 10 kilometers, which is like 6 miles. Now that's clear line of sight. Now, but what it's good for is if you got trees and hills, it's good for flying around within a mile in any direction. Today we are going about a half mile in each direction, and really for most of my normal needs I would have no need to fly any further than that. So having that extra signal to help you through trees, buildings, hills comes as a big help. So we're going to go down here and fly near this water tower. So that's about a half mile south of where I'm at. And we're flying in the town of Indian Land, South Carolina. And with DJI has worked out so many bugs over the years. And I set them ahead of most other brands of drones. So $299, you're going to get one heck of an amazing drone to fly for the first time. So I consider myself to be an intermediate flyer. Every time I take the drone up in the air, I learn something new. Whether it's my flying skills or some of the technical features of the app and drone itself. But yeah, pretty much every time I take the drone up, I learn something new. And that's the best way to get experience, to be a better flyer. And like today, I'm flying about 230 feet. Usually I will take it up to 393 feet, and that's keeping it under the 400-foot maximum. And so I thought I'd go a little bit lower today just for the visual impact, being closer to objects and flying around. Want to make sure that I'm above the tree level, and there's some high voltage power lines here. Want to stay above them, and looks like it was fairly close to the top of the water tower, and I didn't realize it was that high, to be honest with you. So we're going to bring the drone along back, flying over the shopping center now. And today I tried something different with my screen recorder, and it didn't come out what I was hoping for. So we will experiment some more, learn something new, and figure out what went wrong. So this time it just recorded in the vertical format, and when I went to flip it in the editing software, it made it postage size, just shrunk it. So I will figure out what went wrong there. And we have quite a crowd here today at the YMCA, and some kids playing soccer, and we'll go ahead and fly over the playing field here before we bring it home for a landing. Once again, this is the DJI Mini 4K, which is available now on the DJI website, and you can also buy it on Amazon and at Best Buy. And be looking for it on other sites too. And Black Friday will be coming up soon. Be looking for specials. But yeah, if you want to fly a drone, if you want to get in the air, this would be a good starting drone. Now, one of the main features that I like is, with the low price like that, I don't get scared anymore if I'm flying like far from my home point, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna lose an expensive drone, because I've had this long enough and have made YouTube money with it, so it's pretty much a free drone for me. And if I lose it, I'll just pick up another one. No major loss. We'll still create videos, still make money. And yeah, so let's go ahead and fly down this strip one more time, where some construction will be going in soon for some buildings, restaurants, and a Target. We've flown over this area before recently. I'm going to swing around one more time. And this section right here, this is where the Target will be 1 year from now. So we'll fly over this area in the future and update you on the progress. But for right now, we're going to bring her on in the DJI Mini 4K. And I'll speed this up. You want to see my boring landing on a construction site. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you in another video. And remember, the DJI Mini 4K.